All right, Southern California POS Systems bring you future POS. Very simple video today, just how to change the quantity of an item and how to make a couple of corrections and how to access modifiers once you've already put an item on a ticket, going back and changing the modifiers. So with that said, let's go ahead and get in. We'll log in here and start a ticket, get a table. Here we go. Table's open. All right. All right. All right. So we have a ticket open here with some items on it. We want to change the quantity of something. Simply choose what you want. Go down to quantity, hit the number that you want, and boom, just like that, we change the quantity. I don't want six. I want three. Okay, I'm going to select it. I'm gonna hit the correction button, and it's gonna take one off. I hit the correction button again. It's gonna get there's something going on. You want to correct a whole bunch more. So enter the quantity to error correct. So not the quantity that you want on there. If I want three, then I'll need to subtract two. So I want to correct two. Two of them shouldn't be on there. Boom, and that will make three. All right, so that's how to make a correction on an item, and also how to change a quantity on an item. Now, let's say, for example, I want to change one of these modifiers here. If I choose any of these modifiers, make sure only one thing is highlighted, by the way, and I hit correct, it's going to tell me, okay, oops, shouldn't have been medium. It's going to pull up the modifiers for that specific segment. So medium rare is what I meant, and not Italian dressing. I want to see all the dressing choices. I'm going to hit correct here. It's going to come up with all the Italian. No, I want Thousand Island. Okay. Cheese, for example, add cheese. We'll go correct. And this is where I'm going to say, no, I didn't mean to add cheese. And I didn't mean to add anything, actually. So I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to completely remove the add function. Okay. Otherwise, I could have added whatever it was. Now, if I want to see the modifiers for an item, let's say, okay, no, I go back. I want to just see all the modifiers. I'll select the item. I'll go down to modifiers, and here's where it will walk me through all of the modifiers on the items. Once again, all right, so in this video, real quick, sweet, to the point, we learned how to make corrections on some items. We learned how to change the quantity on items. We learned how to change individual items as far as the modifiers go, each individual modifier, and how to find modifiers for an item specifically. All right, thanks for joining. Uh, Please follow the videos along. The titles all have names so that you can find what you're looking for quickly and watch a brief video on how to use Future POS. Brought to you by SoCal POS.